Here's a very visually dynamic and detailed technological adventure with a deep focus into the futuristic space exploration. Titled, How Starship Will Revolutionize Space Travel. An in-depth look into the future of space exploration empowered by SpaceX's Starship. Introduction. Chapter 1. Hey there, let's talk about the future. Hey everyone. Welcome to Chisholm's Science Tech channel, where science meets imagination and tomorrow becomes today. I'm super excited you're here, because today we're diving into something that could change everything about how we explore the cosmos. Ensure to follow, subscribe, like, click notification icon and always share. We're talking about SpaceX's Starship, not just a rocket, but a bold vision for the future of space travel. From colonizing Mars to redefining interplanetary transportation, Starship is no longer just a concept, it's becoming reality. So buckle up, because we're going on a journey through its design, purpose, and revolutionary potential. Chapter 2. What is Starship? The next-gen rocket system. Let's begin with the basics. Starship is SpaceX's fully reusable launch vehicle, consisting of two major stages. Super Heavy Booster, the first stage responsible for lifting Starship out of Earth's gravity well. Starship Upper Stage, a second-stage spacecraft that acts as both the orbital vehicle and lander. It's unlike anything ever built. Standing at 120 meters tall, it will be the tallest and most powerful rocket in history. Its liftoff thrust? Over 16 million pounds, almost twice as powerful as the Saturn V from the Apollo era. But the game changer? Reusability. Both stages are designed to land back on Earth, dramatically reducing launch costs and turnaround time. This isn't just a rocket. It's the first vehicle designed to make space accessible, affordable, and frequent. Chapter 3. Why Reusability Matters, the Economics of Exploration. Imagine if airplanes were thrown away after every flight. That's how space travel has worked for decades. Until now. Most rockets are expendable, built for a single mission, then discarded. This results in astronomical costs, often hundreds of millions of dollars per launch. Starship flips that model upside down. It's designed to be refueled and relaunched within hours or days. Its cost per kilogram of payload could drop to under $100, compared to $10,000 in traditional systems. One Starship could make multiple flights per day, acting like a commercial airliner for space. By making launch costs negligible, Starship opens the door for frequent lunar missions, Mars colony supply chains, industrial activities in orbit, even point-to-point travel on Earth. This is what makes it revolutionary. Chapter 4. Starship's role in satellite deployment and space infrastructure. Before we get to Mars, there's a lot of work to be done in Earth's orbit. Starship will be a satellite deployment powerhouse. With a payload capacity of over 100 metric tons, it can launch massive payloads, including full satellite constellations like Starlink in one trip. But it's not just about satellites. Starship can launch space telescopes the size of skyscrapers, entire space stations in one go, solar power arrays, lunar rovers and habitats. This will accelerate the development of the orbital economy, turning Earth orbit into a bustling hub of activity. Chapter 5. Returning to the Moon, Artemis and lunar missions. NASA has selected Starship as the human landing system, HLS, for the Artemis 3 mission, the first crewed moon landing since 1972. That's right, Starship will be the first spacecraft to land humans on the moon in over 50 years. Its role? Transport astronauts from lunar orbit to the surface and back. Deliver large quantities of cargo, tools, and habitats. Act as a mobile base camp with internal living space. Unlike the Apollo landers, Starship can carry 20+ tons of equipment and support longer surface stays. This will establish the first steps toward a permanent lunar presence. Chapter 6. Colonizing Mars, the multi-planetary dream. Now let's go bigger. Much bigger. Starship was designed with Mars in mind. It's the centerpiece of Elon Musk's dream to make humanity a multi-planetary species. How? Launch Starship from Earth with supplies and crew. Refuel it in orbit using tanker starships. Use aerodynamic braking and retropropulsion to land on Mars. Set up habitats, greenhouses, and fuel production facilities. The plan includes hundreds of starships establishing a self-sustaining Martian settlement. With every launch, more infrastructure, more settlers, and more progress. Starship isn't just a rocket, it's the arc of humanity's future. Chapter 7: Orbital Refueling, the real game changer. To reach Mars or deep space, Starship needs more than just a powerful engine. It needs orbital refueling. Here's how it works. One Starship launches into orbit, the payload or crew vehicle. Multiple tanker Starships follow, filled with liquid methane and oxygen. They dock in orbit and transfer fuel mid-space, topping off the main ship before departure. This technology is vital for interplanetary missions, lunar supply lines, reducing fuel needs on Earth, increasing payload capacity. It's like creating a cosmic gas station network, turning low Earth orbit into the gateway to the solar system. Chapter 8: Earth-to-Earth Travel, Rocket-Powered Global Commutes. Now here's where science fiction becomes daily life. Starship may one day allow point-to-point travel on Earth. Fly from London to Sydney in under 60 minutes. New York to Tokyo? 30 minutes. Imagine skipping jet lag and layovers entirely. This could revolutionize global travel, disrupt the airline industry, enable emergency global response teams to deploy instantly. Of course, this is further down the line, but the technology is theoretically sound. Starship could shrink the world like never before. Chapter 9: Sustainable Spaceflight, Environment and Reusability. Space travel isn't just about exploration, it's also about responsibility. Starship is designed with sustainability in mind. Methane fuel can be synthesized on Mars using the Sabatier reaction, CO2 plus H2, CH4 plus H2O. This enables closed-loop fuel cycles, crucial for interplanetary missions. Reusability means fewer parts burned or discarded, reducing space debris and manufacturing waste. As space travel scales up, these eco-friendly design choices become crucial. Starship aims to make exploration not just possible, but ethical. Chapter 10: The Engineering Feats Behind Starship. Creating Starship required pushing the limits of engineering. The use of stainless steel instead of aluminum offers strength at high temperatures, affordability, and ease of production. Its engines, Raptor, use methalox, methane and oxygen, offering high efficiency and reusability. Starship is built in Boca Chica, Texas, where SpaceX uses a rapid prototyping approach, iterating fast and learning from every launch. This isn't just engineering, it's engineering at Silicon Valley speed, where failure is part of the process. Chapter 11: The Vision of Elon Musk and SpaceX. Starship is the embodiment of Elon Musk's mission to make life multi-planetary. His approach? Focus on first principles thinking. Vertically integrate production. SpaceX makes almost everything in-house. Embrace rapid iteration and high-risk testing. Think long-term, beyond quarterly profits. This mindset has led to one of the most ambitious and disruptive programs in aerospace history. Chapter 12: The Future Ahead, What's Next for Starship? So what's next? Crewed test flights to orbit and the Moon. Lunar base construction through NASA Artemis. Uncrewed cargo runs to Mars by the late 2020s. Human Mars missions as early as 2030. Every test, every launch brings us closer to a future where space isn't distant, it's home. Starship isn't just about going somewhere new. It's about creating a future where space belongs to all of us. Final thoughts and call to action. So there you have it, a deep dive into how Starship is set to revolutionize space travel. Whether it's Mars colonies, lunar landings, or space-based industries, Starship is the launch pad to a new era. Thank you for watching Chisholm's Science Tech channel, and if you enjoyed this exploration and want to keep traveling through the cosmos with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Drop a comment below. Where do you think Starship will take us first? Until next time, keep dreaming, keep learning, and keep reaching for the stars.